Hello everybody, it's Ro again, and I am here with another wig review. Ow, I'm hurting my neck. Anyway, you guys see the scar. I talked about that in my last video that I did a review for, and it was for Love Me Hair. I'm wearing her now. I've washed her for the first time, and I put a concoction on her that made her curls come back. They are not crispy or anything like that, but yeah, this was the first one that I debuted of theirs. You see the skin part and the bang. So I said, you know what? I like their wigs. Their wigs are very comfortable. They're very durable. Like, I haven't had any issues, any shedding, anything like that. So I love them. I mean, you can take it and do, you know, half up, half down, you know, something like that. But anyway, I'm here for another review. You guys, I got my hands on another wig from Love Me. She came in today, and I'm going to open her up with you guys. I get excited when I get packages. So she doesn't want to come open. Okay. So while I'm opening up the package, let me tell you a little bit about the wig. The wig is a straight wig, straight hair, and it's a minimalist. It's called a minimalist wig. If I can just get her out. There we go. Ta-da! There we go. That's the right way. Lovely purple. And I still have my old box from my first review, my Love Me. I'm gonna collect the boxes and probably store my wigs there inside of the little net bags that they give you. But of course you get the little clip here. So let's see what we have here. It is a bob. It is a straight bob, and I wanted something about this length or a little shorter because it's getting hot. I mean, why not? So let's see. Of course, we have the note from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright. I love that. So we're gonna see what kind of goodies we have here today, and then we'll get into the review for the wig. All right, here is the bob, you guys. 100% human hair. Oh my gosh, and I can tell already by the lace. There's no plucking needed. And yeah, looks like they've already dyed the knots. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a great addition. So got the bag, keep your wig in. Got some wig caps, HD wig cap. Now, I've never seen a black woman on these. So, not that it matters. I just need something to lay my hair flat, but this was the first time I've seen it. Okay, and I've got these again. These are those little Velcro things that, like, if you're, you know, spraying your hair up and you want it to sit up and stay up, it's like a little Velcro, and you just take sections of the hair and it'll dry. Like, some people like a little hump at the top. So you just put this on like straight hair. It's better used for straight hair or if you're gluing in tracks. So yeah, that's cute. Oh, I got 3 this time. So there's 3 in here and I have 2 in the other one. So that'll make for 5. I have another beauty blender. Everyone needs beauty blenders, okay? And of course the card here and the thank you card from Love Me. So sweet, so sweet. Talks about how to, well, common wig issues. And if you have any concerns or questions, they have the Wig 101. You can actually scan the cue card here And you can go to the following platforms. Another Love Me clip. I love these clips. They come in handy. And these are some sturdy clips. So that's about it. Nothing else. So what I'd like to do is get right into reviewing the wig. So let's go. I'm going to take this one off. It probably has the same construction, but we'll see. Oh, their wigs are the best. So under that, I have a wig grip, as you can see. And I chose black because if I'm using a lace closure, this is a lace closure. And this is a wig cap that I've had. You can see it's extra, extra thin. It's HD. All right, so let's see what we have here. So it's already pre-cut, and by it being pre-cut, it's supposed to be like a minimalist wig. So we're gonna see how minimalist it is. Taking the stuffing out. Oh, you guys, this wig is beautiful. Ah, all right, so you can see the part here, and it explains on the website, the Love Me website. It's a C part. It's a very prominent C part there. And as you can see, the lace is cut. Looks like they use some of those shears or those jagged scissors. As you can see, they cut it all the way around, which works because you don't have that straight line. I do not see that much plucking right here, but I didn't think that it would be that much plucking right here. But the part is immaculate. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. We have the standard clips on the inside that you have to clip to make sure they stay. And we have the elastic wig band that is supposed to make it glueless. This is the stretch cap that everyone is loving. So yeah, I have about a 22-inch shape head. So we'll see how this works. I think I'm gonna try to adjust it a little bit just to see. I don't want it tight. So if I pull it in this direction, that's tighter. So I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah. All right. So here we go. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, wow. Let me get a little closer so you all can see. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Do you all see this? Do you see this? Ooh. Look at this wig. Look at this unit, you guys. You're going to see the transition area. The wig is very gentle. It's very thin. Of course, it's HD. So be careful. I wouldn't pull it by this part. You don't want it ripping all the way back on the closure. But as you can see, oh, wow. Excuse me, that is my hair and residue. I have gel in it, but it has the clips as well, the ear tabs, so you can bend it to fit comfortable. Oh, wow. And you can always adjust the actual elastic band to fit better, but I just bent them so they could fit. Oh my goodness, this feels great. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. Let me get some of that out the way. This is beautiful. I didn't really have that much, you know, I don't know. I didn't have that much, oh, I love it. Look at these layers. Look at the layers, you guys. Look at this. Ooh, wee, yes. Ooh, clip my ear there. Oh, this is beautiful. 100% human hair. I love this density because I don't like a thick wig. It's hot. Like I said, I'm in Florida. Hold on, let me secure my back. And yeah, I don't like anything too big and bulky on my head. This is beautiful. You can't tell me that my wig is not wigging. I mean, my bob is not bobbing, because my bob is bobbing. Yes, I have some flyaways right here, and that makes it look like my edge is like I just got a relaxer and I need to put some edge control or some grease or setting lotion or something on the side. That's what it make it look like. I love that. Oh my goodness. Let me comb this hump down in the back. So it's not straight out of the box wear like this one wasn't, because of, wow, it has a soft yaki because of this right here. Like, you see how that sticks up? I mean, that'll be soft with some setting lotion, But baby, the bob is bobbing, honey. Yes, the bob is bobbing. And I have a, hold on, let's see here. What? Were you talking to me? Oh, I didn't. Yes, one of those moods. I'm being silly, but I love it. Look at that. You cannot see this lace, you guys. If you can see it, let me know. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good. So what I'm going to do is take my small little flat iron right here and just try to see what I can do with these wispies right here. I like it because it makes it look more natural, but I don't want it too far out. You know what I'm saying? I know if I put some wax on it, it'll hold it down, like some hair wax. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Just want to hit it with the, let you guys see what it's like. You can also create, if you wanted to do like a side, cut it into a side bang, cut a side bang into it, you can. But this looks like a fresh relaxer that I might have had back in the late 90s, early 2000s. Look at this. What? Oh my goodness. Wow. Have a lot of flour. Well, it just came out the bag. But this is beautiful. Now, I'm not going to melt it because the purpose of my video is showing how you don't have to put any type of glue or adhesive on it. So I just wanted you guys to see. Yes, 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 yes. And look at that C part. I mean, you guys, look at this. Look at this. You can easily conceal this. The lace stops right here. But this is for like a beginner, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to do too much. So let me let you guys see it from the side. All right, from the back. I don't know how it looks in the back. And from this side, the right. Like I said, the only con is this, but this can also be used to your advantage. You know, once I start putting, like I said, setting lotion on it and some wax to mold it down. I don't want to make it look hard. I'm not putting gel on it, but setting lotion and a heat protectant, it'll look flawless. Also, if you have trouble with blending your lace, there is this right here. I brought this out thinking that maybe I would have to use it, but you have to be careful with spraying a lot. This is in the color medium brown. Or you can use setting powder of your choice. I use Laura Mercier and the medium translucent. Ooh. Or your bronzer. I use Queen Latifah's old brand. It says Full Spectrum CoverGirl and the color FS120. And you would just get this and, you know, you would just dip it on the lace to make it disappear. But to be honest with you, I think my lace is lacy. There's no need to do anything to it. So, yeah. If you guys like my videos with Love Me Hair, let me know. I can list the description, I can list the actual wig type in the description bar if you're interested. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Love Me Hair, for this lovely bob. All right, you guys will be seeing pictures of me in this bob soon. Take care and goodbye.